Hello, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Max, that is Mishra Academy for Civil Services. This is Anil Kumar Mishra, Faculty for Civil Services Examinations. Today, we will try to discuss about the fifth unit of your GS second paper of your MPPSC Mains Examinations 2020. The question comes regarding to me why we are having fifth unit to discuss here. So, it should be known to you that this fifth unit of your GS second paper is aided by the Commission in the form of public administration. Public administrations के कुछ पार्ट्स को, कुछ टॉपिक्स को इस नई यूनिट में MPPSC मध्य प्रदेश लोक सेवा आयोग द्वारा इस बार एडिट किया गया है। इसलिए चूंकि ये नया यूनिट है, बाकी की 4 यूनिट है जो इस पेपर की, वो इंडियन पॉलिटी एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से है, जो पूर्व के सिलेबस 2019 में भी थी, जिसे आप काफ़ी हद तक पढ़ चुके हैं या पॉलिटी के सेक्शन में आप पढ़ लेते हैं। चूंकि पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन यूपीएससी में अभी भी वैकल्पिक विषय के रूप में अन्य विषयों के साथ उपलब्ध है, एमपीपीएससी में वैकल्पिक विषय समाप्त हो चुके हैं और इसके कुछ टॉपिक्स या पार्ट्स के रूप में फिफ्थ यूनिट में पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को एड कमीशन के द्वारा कर दिया गया है। इसलिए हम कंटेंट्स की शुरुआत फिफ्थ यूनिट से कर रहे हैं, जिसमें हम सबसे पहले टॉपिक पर आज डिस्कस करेंगे, जिसका नाम है मैनेजमेंट, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड मैनेजमेंट। इसके अंदर बहुत सारे कंटेंट्स दिए हुए हैं। उस कंटेंट्स की तरफ जाने से पहले हम एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और मैनेजमेंट को समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन क्या है, मैनेजमेंट क्या है, उसके बाद हम आगे के कंटेंट्स को अगले वीडियो के माध्यम से स्टेप बाय स्टेप डिस्कस करेंगे। नाउ वी विल फोकस ऑन द टर्म एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। Students, what is administrations? Administration, you can say administration means management of affairs, whether it is by public sector or private sectors. You can say it is also, administration is also to look after people, whether it is public or whether it is public or private administration. Administration can be defined by various scholars of public administrations. Few of them we will have today to give the meaning of administration. First of all, we will try to know the definition of administration by a scholar of public administration, that is Felix and Negro. How Felix and Negro define administration? He defines administration as administration is an organization use of men and material to accomplish a purpose. मैन और मटेरियल के यूज के साथ जब प्रशासन निर्धारित लक्ष्य की पूर्ति करता है, तो ऐसी प्रक्रिया को प्रशासन या एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कहा जाता है। उसी प्रकार the other scholar of public administration who also try to define the term administration, that is Herbert H. Simon. You should know that Herbert H. Simon is well known to his decision making process in administrative organizations. According to him, he gave the broader sense or broader meaning of administration. He says administration is a broader sense as activities of group cooperating to accomplish the common goals. Next thinker who will give the definition of administration, that is Dimmock. Dimmock connected administration to what and how of the government. Here what represents the subject matter and how represents the managerial techniques to be used for this purpose. So all these are the definitions we have seen by the various scholars of public administrations to define the meaning of administrations. On the basis of all these definitions, we will have some features of administration. That is, administration as an organization, that is institutional setup. First of all, organization has to be set up, then administration after this will be there. Second, you will see that common purpose or common goals. There is common goals or common purpose of an organizations to be achieved by the administrations. For this purpose, you will see the common or mutual cooperation among the various officials or personals of the administrations. Without cooperation, it is not possible to attain the common task or goal of an organizations. Then you will find the another feature of administration, that is authority. That is authority. The personals or officials who is connected to administrations must have authority to direct or to control the activities of their subordinates. So authorities must be there. Next, variation of interest. You will see that there is an variation of interest, that is public interest and individualist interest. In case of public administration, you will find that public administration works for the sake of public interest rather than individual interest. So it is one of the most common feature of administration. Next, you will see that administration is a universal process. It means it is found in everywhere at all the time. So it is universal in nature. It is found in everywhere. So all these are the features of administrations we have got from the various definitions of scholars of public administrations. So you can say administration means a cooperative effort of group of people in a pursuit of common goal. That is administrations. What is management? That comes after administration as your topic, about which we will discuss in our next video, that what is management and how we will deal with this topic. Thank you.